To getting down, down. Show me a piece of your love. I'm calling you up to getting down, down. Show me a piece of your heart, a piece of your love. I'm calling you up to getting down, down, down. The way that we touch is never enough. I'm turning you up to getting down, down, down.
Oh, sorry, just quickly. What events?
Da da da, down, down. Da da da. Show me easy, show me the hearty. I'll be what you want, then it's physical. Keep it subliminal. Show me what you want. Show me easy, show me the hearty. I'll be what you want, then it's physical. Keep it subliminal. Show me what you want. Show me easy, show me the hearty. I'll be what you want, then it's physical. Keep it subliminal. Show me what you want. Show me easy, show me the hearty. I'll be what you want, then it's physical. Keep it subliminal. Show me what you want.
You're trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well. We are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. You're lost on it and dead, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear. Need to come. scream and play. We wanna party with you, we did their party in two. Now it's time for us to join in. Crazy, and everybody's jumping up and down. We're crazy, come on, we're going crazy, and everybody's jumping up. So keep your head high, looking at the night sky, and now I'm not alone. So keep your head looking at the night sky, and now I'm not alone. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you hear me? If you're watching our YouTube, live YouTube, kindly comment if you can hear me. Thank you. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you hear me? So, good afternoon everyone. This is Teacher Rachel. Ngayon, magdi-discuss tayo kung ano yung mga sinagutan nyo kanina. So, again, as promised, this is a free review. First, we will be tackling how to write or translate words into expressions or algebraic expressions specifically. And then after that, we're going to answer the problems that you have answered a while ago. So, let's start. So first, remember, what are our keywords? Especially when writing or when translating. You know, very crucial ang wordings in terms of word problem. Okay? Kasi mamali ka lang ng translate, mamali ka lang ng lagay, lahat na, kahit na tama pa yung pagkakasolve mo, pero mali pa rin yung nasolve mo kasi nga mali yung naisulat mo or na-translate mo. So what we can do about it is first, we need to remember what are the different keywords. So what are the sample keywords that we know? So for example, some, more than, greater than. These specific phrases refer to what specific operation? So the specific operation that we mean when we say the words more than or the terms more than, greater than, some, these expressions can be translated or can be connected to the idea of addition. Okay? Paano naman kapag sinabing less, less than, decreased? Ano yung operation na pwede nating i-attach or pwede nating ilagay katabi nun? So, ang pwede natin po ilagay doon ay syempre subtraction. And then, paano naman kapag sinabing product, thrice, twice, times. So, all of these phrases can be related to or can be translated mathematically into multiplication. Okay? And then, paano naman kapag sinabing divided by, half, 1/3, 1/4, okay? So, usually, itinatranslate natin siya sa divided by. So, ngayon, I'll be showing some of the terms or some phrases rather, and then we're going to translate these phrases. So, if you're via Zoom, please use our chat box. And then if you're watching via YouTube Live, kindly comment sa ating YouTube Live. Okay. Let's start. Okay, square of the sum of x and y. Again, square of the sum of x and y. So let's see our chat box here in Zoom and then our live in YouTube. Okay. So may mga nagsagot. Tignan natin kung pareha sa sagot ng iba. So isipin mo muna, square of the sum. Usually, ganun siya kapag nagtatranslate. Uunahin mo muna yung nandoon sa loob. Okay? Square of the sum. Parang sinabing, nanay ng tatay mo. Hindi mo naman iisipin kagad kung sino yung nanay, di ba? Anong kagad iisipin mo? Kung sino yung tatay mo. Yun nasa loob lang. So, pag tinabing nanay ng tatay mo, uunahin mo kung sino yung tatay mo. So, identify mo sino yung tatay mo and then after, kung na-identify mo na kung sino yung tatay mo, i-identify mo kung sino yung nanay nun. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin dito. Yung loob muna yung asipisuhin natin. So, sum of x and y. So, sum of x and y is That's right. Where's my pen? Okay. So the sum of x and y is x plus y, of course. And then, square. Sabi, square mo daw yun. So, pag in-square mo, lalagyan natin na square. Okay? So, hindi lang pwede ba na ilagay ko? O sige, x plus y, tapos square. Pwede ba yan? O remember, hindi sino daw ba yung ini-square? Sige, ini-square, yung y lang ba? Hindi, yung sum. Yung sum nino ni x tsaka ni y. Kaya dapat talagyan ng parenthesis. Clear? Paano naman pag ito, baliktad? O, ito naman, square of x and y. Unahin yung nasa loob. Square daw ng x at y. Ano pa square ng x? X squared. Ano square ng y? Y squared. Tapos, tsaka mo kunin yung sum. Again, pag sinabing sum, anong operation i-associate natin doon? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So, addition. Okay? So, yung gagamitin natin. This is our answer. Next, what if 15 less x? O, yan. Actually, yung kabila, yung baliktad, yung next slide natin, 15 less than x. So, tingin ko nga, kindly comment sa ating chat box kung alam natin kung ano yung 15 less x. 15 less x muna, ha? Okay. So, again guys pag sinabing 15 less x, as is, kung paano mo siya isusulat, ang less, ang translation lagi niyan, automatic minus. Okay? May 15 ka. Less. Tanggalin mo. Sino tatanggalin mo? Si x. So, 15 minus x. Okay. Good job para sa mga nagsasagot ng or nakasagot ng 15 minus x. Okay, paano naman ito? 15 less than x, syempre kabaliktaran. So again wag na wag kayong mamimili ito. Kapag sinabing 15 less x, yung less, automatic translation niya, minus kagad. Pero kapag less than, baliktad. Okay, so 15 less than x can be written as x minus 15. Okay? Now, paano naman ito? Sum of two consecutive numbers. Sige nga. Sum of two consecutive numbers. Chat box or comment section. Let's check. Sum of two consecutive numbers. Okay. Oops, sorry, balik ko lang. Okay. So again bago natin problemahin yung sum, anong tip natin? Yung nasa laob muna. O, how will you show two consecutive numbers? So, syempre, consecutive, ibig sabihin ng consecutive, magkasunod. O, halimbawa, 4, anong kasunod niya? 5. 7, anong kasunod niya na number? 8. O kaya 6, di ba? So, para hindi tayo maguguluhan, laging plus na lang yung isipin natin, mas mataas. 9, anong consecutive niya? 10. So, ano mapapansin mo? Kung yung unang number, itatranslate mo as x, yung pangalawang number, that's x plus 1. Okay? Now, nasulat mo na yung two consecutive numbers. Kunin mo yung sum. So, add mo na lang. X plus 1. Teacher, is it required for us to write a parenthesis or not? Again, because this is addition. Addition naman sila lahat. Wala namang problema. Hindi naman sila nag-aaway-away. So, okay na lang yan. Kahit na may parenthesis or wala, okay naman. Okay, next. Paano naman kapag sinabing sum of two consecutive odd numbers? Hindi na lang basta two consecutive numbers. These are two consecutive odd numbers. O, ayusin muna natin. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng two consecutive odd numbers? Pag sinabing odd numbers, mag-isip ka ng odd numbers, 3 and 5. 5 and 7. 7 and 9. So, every time, for example, the first number is x, the number consecutive to it, which is also an odd number, ilan yung ina-add mo? 3, 5. 5, 7. Dalawa ina-add mo. Okay? So, x plus 2. And then, again, sum. Paano mo papakita yung sum? X plus 2. With or without parenthesis in x plus 2. Okay lang. Paano naman to? Sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. O, isipin mo muna ulit. O, ano naman yung 3 consecutive even numbers? O, magbigay ng example sa isip. 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8. Or 4, dahil tatlo pala, sorry, 2, 4, 6. And then, 4, 6, 8. O, kung yung una, x. Yung pangalawa, magdadagdag ka din ng dalawa, x plus 2. Pero, yung susunod, kunwari, 2, 4, nagdagdag ka ng dalawa. Yung sumunod, nagdagdag ka ng dalawa doon dito. So, x plus 2 plus 2 or x plus 4. Kukunin mo yung sum nun. So, x plus 2 plus x plus 4, etc. Okay, moving on. Okay, now, can you please translate each verbal phrase into an algebraic expression? So, pag sumagot kayo, 1 to 5 na diretso ha, pa-comment na lang. I'm gonna give you about a minute to do this. Okay, let's check. Number 1, P decreased by the total of Q and R. O sige, sabi natin, unahin muna yung nasa loob. Total of Q and R. So, ano ang total ng Q and R? Q plus R. And then, decreased by Q and R. So, unahin mo muna, P minus quantity of Q plus R. So, guys ha, especially if meron na tayo nakalagay na subtraction ng operation, kinakailangan or very, very essential na magsusulat ka ng parentheses. Kasi kung hindi, mamamali yung sagot natin. Next, 3 less than the sum of x and y. O unahin mo muna ulit, sum of x and y. Ano ang sum of x and y? Syempre, x plus y. O, less than daw, 3 less than. Anong una mong susulat pag less than? Yung sum ng x at y o yung 3? O, di ba, pag less than, nababaliktad. So, una muna, sum of x and y. So, that's x plus y. And then, minus 3. So, here, sulat ko lang, q plus r. And then dito, c added to the square of b. O, unahin mo muna, square of b. What's the square of b? B squared. And then added. O, again, pag inad, it wouldn't matter again with kung sino yung mauuna ng c at saka dun sa b squared. So, pwedeng c plus b squared or c plus b squared. Next, sum of m and n. So, this is just easy, m plus n. Next, twice of p minus q. Twice of p minus q. So, 2p minus q. Okay? Okay, so let's go to the problems. By the way, pantay ba siya? Bakit sa akin hindi pantay sa kabila? Okay, this is the first problem that we have answered, or you have answered from the quiz. Art can clean the room in 3 hours. Armen can clean the same room in 8 hours. If they work together, how long will it take them to clean the room? So again, guys, this is a work problem. Or as promised, aside from writing algebraic expression or translating the specific phrases to equations or expressions rather, we're going to discuss work problem, age problem, tsaka mixture problem. So before anything else, you need to identify what type of problem you're talking about or you're dealing with. In this specific example, we're dealing with an example of a work problem. Okay? So, madali na ma-identify kung work problem kasi may word na work. Kung walang word na work, isipin mo yung idea ng meron kang tinatrabaho. Like, meron kang inilalagay sa tangke, meron kang pinipinturahan, meron kang nililinisan. So, all of these words refer to work. So, eto po yung dapat nating tandaan kapag pinag-uusapan po natin yung work problem. This specific formula. So, anong formula yan? 1 over T1 or time taken ng person 1 plus 1 over T2 or time taken ng person 2 all over 1 over time. Hindi lang dalawa or sabay sila. Okay? Now, computin natin. Si Art daw, siya yung first person. Ilang oras niya daw ginawa? Ano yung T1 niya? G. And then, paano naman si Arman? Arman. Ano yung T1 niya? Or T2 niya rather, yung time to H. Okay, equal to 1 over yung time nila together, which is yun yung hinahanap mo. How long? Kaya nga long eh. Time ang hinahanap. Now, ang gagawin natin, syempre, kapag nagdi-deal tayo ng fraction, nag-add or nagsusubtract, what we can do is, yung sinatawag nilang butterfly technique. Diba? Pag sa butterfly, hindi siya mukhang butterfly, so medyo i-clear ko siya para ma-appreciate mo. So, una daw, multiply mo yung nasa baba. Oh, yun yung parang ulo, butterfly. So, G times H, GH, and then multiply mo yung yan, yung parang pakpak niya. 1 times H is H, and then 1 times G is G. Okay, so G plus H over GH equal to 1 over question mark. Kaso, ang hinahanap mo, itong question mark. So, anong gagawin mo? Dahil 1 lang naman yun, pwedeng baliktarin mo na lang. Thus, our answer is GH over G plus H. Okay, next. So, for our next problem, Ara will be A years old in B years. Her age C years ago was. So, this is a age problem. Siyempre, mga years old tsaka years ago. So, guys, ang tagging yung tatandaan kapag may age problem, past, present, and future. Okay? So, kinakailangan alam mo kung ano yung past, present, and future. Or sometimes, it really pays if you illustrate things. So, let's illustrate things. So, let's say this is the present. Sige na, syempre. And then sabi, Ara will be A years old. So, A years old. B years from now. Sorry po to, hala. B years from now. Or in B years. So, ibig sabihin, sa susunod na B years, ano nang edad niya? A. Okay? And then, C years ago, so pag ago, syempre past. Mula present, pabalik ng past, years ago, ano daw yung magiging edad niya? Okay? So guys, isipin mo lang, parang number line. O, kunwari, may mga values to, paano mo makukuha yung value nito? Okay? Parang nag-measure ka lang. E di, A, minus mo yung B, tanggalin mo tong area na to, and then minus mo yung C, makukuha mo isa to. Therefore, our answer for number 2 is letter D. Okay, next. Gerald is 5 years younger than Kim. In 3 years, Kim's age will be double that of Gerald's. How old is Kim? So, minsan, teacher, ano ba gagawin ko? Di ba, minsan may mga table yan, yung mga ganyan. Past, present, future. So, okay lang naman sa'yo kung meron kang ganyang technique. Pero minsan kasi, mas maganda na itry mo na lang i-substitute ang mga bagay-bagay, lalo na kung multiple choice question naman siya. So, let's try Gerald and Kim. So, sabi, Gerald is 5 years younger. So, sinong mas bata? Si Gerald. So, kung si Gerald, presently, X yung age niya, ano naman ang edad ni Kim? X plus 5. Pwede bang baliktad? Pwede bang yung Gerald gawin kong X minus 5 and then yung Kim gawin kong X? Pwede din naman. Pero ako kasi mas gusto ko yung mga plus-plus lang na luloka ako sa concept ng minus. Kasi nga, maraming tao ang nakakakumit ng pagkakamali lalo na kapag minus ang ginagamit. So, might as well use plus. Ang alam mo, mas bata si Gerald ng 5 years, so lagay mo X. Dagdag mo na lang dun sa isa, kay Kim. Okay, sabi, in 3 years, yung edad daw ni Kim, magdodoble daw nung kay Gerald. So guys, isipin na lang natin, i-substitute natin to isa-isa. Sige ha, let's try with 5. Kung si Gerald, 5, ano ang edad, sorry, Kim pala hinahanap. Kung si Kim, 5, ba ako ng color? Kung si Kim ay 5 years old, ilang taon si Gerald? 0. Tama ba ako? O ngayon, how old is Kim? Anong gagawin natin? In 3 years, Kim's age will be double. O kahit na doblehin mo yan, 0 yan. So, X yan. Okay, sorry for that interruption. Next. Ay, nawala lahat. Sige, balik tayo ha. Past, present, future. Kim, and then Gerald. If Kim, and then, yeah, and then this is x plus 5. So, that's right. If Gerald is, or sorry, if Kim is 7, ilang taon si Gerald? 2. Tama ba ako? Now, sabi, in 3 years, o tignan natin, ilang taon si Kim in 3 years. So, mag-add ka ng 3. 7 plus 3, that's 10. And then si Gerald, 2 plus 3, that's 5. Yung edad ba ni Kim, doble ba nung edad ni Gerald? Is 10 double of 5? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin na ang B, 7. Okay, next. The age of art S years ago is R. So, asikasuhin natin si art. May timeline, S years ago daw, syempre present muna. S years, art to ha. S years ago, ano daw ang edad niya? R. Next, Jam naman. Oh, let's say this is Jam's age. So, si Jam, may present. W years from now, so future, syempre, ano daw ang edad? J. Paano kung twin sila? So, kung twin sila, pwede mo siyang pagsamahin or pag-isahin. Sa transfer po na lang doon. W and then J. So, mag-eraser lang tayo para hindi ka malilito. Now, how can you express their current age? O, tignan natin. R plus S. Pwede ba natin gamitin ng R plus S? Kunwari, ang age niya 1 year ago. Ay, matanggal. Kunwari, ang age niya 1 year ago. 10. Yan. 1 year ago ay 4. So, ano yung edad niya ngayon? 5. And how were you able to get it? Kasi inad mo yung R plus S. So, yung R plus S, that is our answer. Sige, try natin yung iba. O paano naman to? S minus R, pwede ba? S minus R, pwede ba? 1 minus 4? Pwede ba negative na age? Siyempre, X. So guys ha, wag na tayo magsayang ng oras. Okay na yun, nakuha na natin kasi content. Okay, next. O again ha, this is a work problem kasi may nakalagay na working together. So again, anong formula natin? 1 over the time of the first person plus 1 over the time of the second person. So lalagyan ko ng initial si Carl and then si Anne equals 1 over together. So 1 over si Carl, half the time spent by Anne. So sabi, si Carl at si Anne daw, nung naglinis sila na magkasama, 10. So together, 10. Next, if Carl can work half the time, sino mas mabilis? Mas mabilis si Carl. Okay? Spent by Anne, paano yun? Ay, syempre half, isipin mo, may divided by ka na nga, tapos maglalagay ka pa ng concept ng half na 1/2. So, wag na lang ganun. Ang gagawin mo, parang yung concept ng addition at subtraction, rather than mag-minus ka, multiplication at division, mas gusto mo yung multiply. Okay? So, for example, sino ang mas matagal na gumawa? Mas matagal na gumawa si Anne. Kasi si Carl, half the time kaya niya. So, si Anne, pwede mong gawin 2x. And then, si Carl, x. Okay? So, let's solve. Parang kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, butterfly, multiply. Where's that? Eraser. Teacher, pag nag-butterfly technique ka, isipin mo, x times 2x, 2x squared kagad. Ayaw mo nung concept ng may x squared kasi magiging quadratic, masakit sa ulo. So, what you can probably do is, dahil maliit lang naman siya, you can use the concept of LCD. So, the LCD of this one is 2x. So, 2x divided by x, that's 2 times 1, 2. Plus 1 equal to 1 over 10. So, 2 plus 1, that's 3 over 2x equal to 1 over 10. Okay? And then, lalo na kapag meron kang ganito, what you can do is simply cross-multiply. 3 times 10, that's 30, equal to 2x times 1, 2x. And then divide both sides by 2, so x is equal to 15. Pero, remember, hours to yung binanggit kanina. Pero ang tinatanong sa'yo, minutes. O, so huwag magpapalansi. Ano pang gagawin? You need to multiply 15 by 60. So, 15 times 60. The correct answer is... 15 times 60, that's 900. Ay, hindi pa po 900. Ano pa lang to? Hours to minutes. Okay? Okay. So, tama nga. 900. Next. Okay. Kurt can finish painting a wall in 6 hours. So, ganun din yung concept kanina. So, 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3, that's work, equals 1 over how long will it take to finish them together. So, yun ang hinahanap. Kaya x. Okay? So, 6, and then dahil 60 naman to, copy, and then divide. 6 divided by 3, that's 2 times 1, 2, equal to 1 over x. So, you have 3 over 6, or 1 half, equal to 1 over x. Okay? Pero x yung hinahanap mo. So, titignan mo yung denominator kasi parehas naman 1 yung numerator. So, ang samang sagot sa number 6 ay letter A. Next, K wanted to mix 5 liters. Oh, ito, mixture na to. Guys, isipin nyo, lagi kapag mixture, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Amount o dami nung una times the percentage plus amount or dami nung pangalawa multiply to the percentage equal to yung A1 plus A2 and then multiply to the percent. Oh, let's apply. What is the number or the amount of the first? So 5 liters, 10% alcohol. So 5 times 10. Bakit, di ba teacher, di ba dapat kapag percentage 0.1, bakit 10 na yung ilagay mo? Kasi at the end of the day, both sides, i-multiply mo rin naman ng 100 para lumabas siya na 10. So, kung ako sa'yo, as early as now, dahil parehas lang naman yan, both sides, lagay mo na natin. Plus. Basta sigurado ka lang na kapag sa right side, ginawa mo times 100 na yung ilalagay mo, doon din sa kabilang side. Plus, amount ng pangalawa. Meron ba nakalagay? Wala. So, x. And then, 50 or 50x. Kasi hinahanap how many liters nung 50% So, x. Equals, amount nung 1. Yung isa, 5 liters. Tapos, yung isa, nasa na yan? Yung isa, x. So, anong pwede mong ilagay? 5 plus x. Kasi hindi mo alam eh. And then, yung percentage. Percentage niya ay, yung product, gusto mo, 25%. Okay? So, 5 times 10, that's 50, plus 50x, equals 5 times 25, that's 125, plus 25x. So, x muna, similar or, like terms. So, 50x minus 25x, that's 25x. And then, 125 minus 50 is 75. So, the value of x is 3. Okay. Bilisan natin. Kulang ang oras. Okay. Find the number if the sum of 1/5 and 3/10 of the number is 20. By the way, medyo may siningit ako na number problems. So, I hope you're fine with it. So, ayusin natin. Find the number if the sum of 1/5 daw nung number. What's 1/5 of that number? 1/5 of that number is 1/5x. Or x/5. Kaya sum ha, so add natin. 3/10. So 3x/10 is 20. Okay? So, ayusin natin. 10, dahil parehas lang naman yun. 3x. And then, that's 2 times x, 2x. 20. So, we'll have 5x over 10 equal to 20. And then, iakyat mo, multiply. So, 10 times 20, that's 200. So, 5x equal to 200. Therefore, x is 40 letters. So far, do we have questions? Or mamaya na lang siguro yung questions. So wait, I'll check the chat box. Kung may latest. Wala namang question, no? Okay. So we're fine. And we're good. Next. Okay, next. One number is 18 less than another. The sum of the two numbers is 146. What is the smaller number? So this is again a number problem. I-translate natin siya. One number is, guys, ang maganda sa language ng math, kung ano yung salin mo, kung ano yung nilagay mo, yun yung lalagay mo na sign. Hindi ka guys sa Filipino minsan naiiba. Okay? So for example, here's what I'm talking about. Let's say I say one number is x less than another. So, ano yung isang number na yun? Siyempre, hindi mo alam. So, maglilit tayo ng x. Let's say x. 18 less than another. So, less than, baliktad, another. Ay, sorry. That's... Wait. Where's my clear? So again, one number, let's say x is. Pag is, equal sign. 18 less than another. So, 18 less than. Baliktad. Another. Now, the sum of the two numbers is 146. So, x plus y, because wala kang alam kung ano yung dalawang number na yun, equal to 146. So, ang alam mong x, y minus 18. So, y minus 18 plus y, pinalitan mo lang yung x dito, equal to 146. So, y plus y, that's 2y. And then, 146 plus 18 is 164. Therefore, y is 82. Okay? Pero, y pa lang yun. Ang hinahanap mo smaller number. Balik tayo dito. Ang sabi, yung isa daw, less than ng 18. So, isa-substitute mo pa dito. 82 minus 18. And what is 82 minus 18? The correct answer is 64. Next. A mother's age is thrice as old as his son. So, age problem. In 4 years, she will be 6 less than 4 times his son's age. So, how old is the mother now? So, minsan, kapag too complicated na talaga yung problem na ibinigay sa'yo, what you can probably do is, wala kang choice, ilalagay mo talaga siya. So, let's do this. So, mother, and then the son, past, present, and then future. So, ang sabi, mother's age is thrice as old. So, pag thrice, 3 times. Siyempre, sino mas matanda? Si mother or si son? Siyempre, si mother. Kayo naman. So, 3x, si mother kasi thrice, and then x si son. In 4 years. So, again, plus, kasi future in 4 years. So, si mother, anong age niya in 4 years? 3x plus 5. In 4 years, she will be 6 less than 4 times his son's age. Ano ba yung age ni Sun? Ang age ni Sun ay x plus 5. Okay? So, translate natin. Pag may nakakita kang terms such as will be or is, so ang translation yan ay equal sign. So, in 4 years, this is her age, 3x plus 5 equals 6 less than. O, ito na naman tayo. 6 less than, pabaliktad. 4 times daw nung edad na to. So, 4 times of that. So, ayusin natin. 3x plus 5 equal to 4 times yung age ng Sun and then 6. So, 3x plus 5, 4x plus 20 minus 6. So, 4x plus 14, 3x plus 5. So, lipat mo. Kasi syempre, mas malaki 4x. So, x equal to... Wait. In 4 years. Sorry, in 4 years, bakit 5 na nilagay ko? Kaya pala namamali ako. So, in 4 years, 4. 4. So, for this must be 16. So, 16 minus 6, that's 10. Plus 4. Okay. So, guys, anong sagot niya dito sa problem na to? Kindly comment naman sa ating chat box. Pakiulit daw number 6 o sige, mamaya try na. Chat box. What's your answer for this number, guys? Okay, C. How about the others? Sorry, lutang na lutang ako. Okay. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Letter C. Guys, balik ako na lang to. Lutang pa ako. Sorry. Balikan ko tong 10. Pero letter C ang sagot natin dito. Promise, I'll give you a detailed explanation of this. Okay, next. Rax is 2 years older than Marceline. The product of Rax's age 5 years from now and Marceline's age 2 years ago is 36. What is the age of Rax? So that's, ayusin natin. So we have Rax and then we have Marceline. So past and then present and then future. So Rax is 2 years older. So mas matanda si Rax. So x si Marceline and then x plus 2 si Rax. And then the product. So ibig sabihin may kailangan kang i-multiply. Pero ang tanong, ano yung kailangan mo i-multiply? Hanapin natin. Rax age 5 years from now. Kung si Rax ay x plus 2 ngayon, in 5 years, magdadagdag ka pa ng 5. So x plus 2 plus 5, that is x plus 7. Now, ito daw yung i-multiply ko kanino? Sa age naman ni Marceline 2 years ago. Kung si Marceline ngayon ay x 2 years ago, x minus 2. So, x minus 2, ano daw ang product? 36. Kung aayusin natin, we will be having etong bagay na to. Kung expound natin, I'll have x squared plus 7x minus 2x minus 14 equal kay 36. So, I'll have x squared plus 5x and then lipat 36 plus 14. So, that's 50. Okay? So, babalik siyempre natin doon para mas madaling isolve. I'll be having x squared. What happened? Yun. X squared x squared plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0.
So this is a quadratic equation. So it really pays if you know how to solve a quadratic equation through factoring, because that is the fastest way. Unless it's not factorable, but highly unlikely, especially if you're dealing with an entrance examination. Most of the given problems are factorable. So x plus 10, x minus 5. So the values of x that I'll get is negative 10 and positive 5. So wala kang paki sa negative, positive muna tayo. Positive 5. So ang x daw, positive 5. Kanino nga yung age na 5? Kay Marceline. So ano yung edad ni Rax? Add ka lang ng 2, that's 7. Next, how many liters of 40% solution of nitric acid should be added to 15 liters of 20% solution of nitric acid to obtain 30% solution? So, kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina, amount ni 1 plus times percentage plus amount ni 2 percentage equal dun sa amount ni 1 plus amount ni 2 and then percentage. So, amount ni 1, how many liters? Yun na hinahanap. So, x and then 40. So, 40x. Plus, amount ni 2, 15 times 20. What is 15 times 20? 300. Equal to, anong amount ni una? Hindi mo alam. So, x plus 15 and then 30. Yung product. So, ayusin natin, 40x plus 300 equal to 30 times x, so 30x plus 15 times 30 is 450. So, ayusin natin, lipat natin, magiging 10x equal to 450 minus 300, that's 150. So, x is 150 divided by 10 and that is 15. At yun ang hinahanap natin, letter B. Questions? Wale. Yung nag-message, is she in a hurry, the math teacher? I'm very, very sorry. Again, if you have questions or if there are problems na hindi masyadong nagigets, mamaya, okay? Meron lang tayong time na fina-follow so far. Okay? So, again, if you will be having questions later, sasagutin natin yan isa-isa. Next, let's go to number 13. A tank can be filled in 10 hours by the first pump alone. The same tank can also be filled in 4 hours by the second pump alone. So if both pumps will be used, in how many hours can the tank be filled in? So 1 over the first hour, so that's 10 na binigay, and then 1 over yung pangalawa, 4, and then hinahanap paano pag both pumps. So, we can do the butterfly. 10 times 4, that's 40. 1 times 4, that's 4 plus 10. So, 4 plus 10, that's 14 over 40 equal to 1 over t. Pero t yung hinahanap mo, so what you can do, baliktarin mo lang to. So, t is equal to 40 over 14. So, if you will simplify 40 over 14, you'll have 20 over 7. Okay? Or if you simplify 20 over 7, 2 and 6 over 7. So, letter B. Next, number 14. So, sometimes, pag binasa mo mga problem, hindi mo minsan magigets kung anong klaseng problem siya o kagaya nito. the total score in a basketball game was 92 points. This was a combination of 2-point shots and 3-point shots. There were a total of 43 scoring events. How many were 3-point shots and 2-point shots were made respectively. So, minsan kasi iniisip natin na hala, paano yun? Anong gagawin ko? Nagpapanik agad tayo. Pero guys, again ha, ang focus natin ngayon, age, work, and mixture. Siyempre, hindi siya age, obviously. Siyempre, hindi rin siya work. Pero paano ko nasabi na isa siyang mixture? So, you would know if there is a mixture problem kapag may nakalagay na percent. Percent of this amount plus percent of this amount will yield percent of this amount. Or pwede din yung example na binigay ngayon sa atin, number 40. Merong 2-point shots, may 3-point shots, so merong specific points na total sa dulo. So yun yung gagawin natin. Pero, again, kagaya na sinabi ko, minsan hindi lahat pwedeng i-compute or pwedeng isulat may mahabang equation. Lalo na may mga values naman tayo dito na maliliit like 2 and 3. We can substitute. At saka, meron pa tayong isang alam. Ang total daw ng scoring event, pag sinabing total ng scoring event, yung bilang ng time na nakashoot siya, regardless sa pwesto niya ay 43. So, una pa lang, anong gagawin natin? Pwede nating i-add ito isa-isa, tapos tignan natin kung sino yung magbibigay ng 43. So, if I try to add the first 5 and 38, is that 43? Yes, it's 43. 43 to. So, bilugan ko muna. Letter B, 7 and 38, hindi 43. So, X na kaagad yan. Next, 6 and 37, that's 43. So, titignan din natin. 8 and 34, that's not 43. So, wala na kaagad yan. So, it's either A or C. So, let's check. 3 points, 2 points, respectively daw. So, ibig sabihin, yung unang binanggit, pang 3 points. 5. And then, 6 naman sa letter C. And then, yung pangalawa, or 2 points, 38 yung isa 37. Okay, so let's try first. 5 times 3, that will be 15. 15 na siya. 6 times 3, that's 18. Again ha, ang hinahanap natin, kinakailangan ang maging score ng lahat ay 92. 38 times 2, that is 76. And then ito, 74. O, ang tanong, ano ang magbibigay sa iyo ng 92? So, the correct answer is letter C. 18 plus 74, that's 92. Next, for Mike, it takes X hours to clean. So, work ulit. Ayusin natin. So, 1 over si Mike. Ilan si Mike? X daw. Tapos, however, Sandy takes twice as long. So, mas matagal siya. So, twice as long. Kung X si Mike, 1 over 2X yung isa. Equals 1 over together. Meron ba nun together? Wala nun together. Okay, so, wala question mark yung ilalagay natin. So, how long would they take to clean the basement? So, again, in this specific problem, kahit na hindi mo na makuha yung exact amount, ang kinakailangan mo lang ay yung paano mo siya kukumputin. So, let's see, X and 2X. LCD is 2X. Dahil 2X din naman to, copy mo na lang yung nasa taas. 2X divided by X, that's 2, times 1, that's 2. So, 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2X. Equal pa yun sa 1 over question mark. Hindi naman 1 over question mark ang hinahanap mo. Ang hinahanap mo yung question mark. So, pagbaliktarin mo, so question mark is equal to yung baliktad. 2x over 3. Or this is letter C. Okay. So, I believe parang tinagal ata ang teacher yung choices. So, tignan natin dito. Sa example na to, Chris gave birth to his son on his 30th birthday. So, si Chris, syempre, nung nanganak siya, 30. Tapos yung son niya, nung nanganak, or lumabas sa mundo, syempre 0, wala pang age. What is the age of his son in such a way that his son's age is half of her age? So, ibig sabihin, hinahanap mo na, for example, 31, dapat yung age ni son, kalahati no, nung 31. So, maghahanap ka ng age ni son. So, ibig sabihin, bubuo tayo ng pattern na 31-1, 32-2, 33-3, and so on and so forth. So, based dito sa pattern na ito, makikita mo na hindi kagad siya half eh. So, ibig sabihin, yung may mga ending na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, X na kagad yun. So, ano yung pwede natin gawin? Tignan natin yung mga age na ibinigay sa atin dito. Again ha, yung age ni son ang hinahanap, half daw nung nanay. So, tignan natin. If son is 20, ilang taon si mother? 50. O paano mo nalamang 50? Kasi tingnan mo, 30 years yung pagitan nilang dalawa. Kasi 30 years old na nung nanganak si mother. Kalahati ba ng 50 ay 20? Hindi. O next, 25. Kung 25, syempre sabi natin kanina, hindi din. Kapag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na yung dulo. Next, 30. Kung 30 si son, si mother, i-add mo ng 30 kasi nga 30 years yung pagitan, so 60. Ang 30 ba, kalahati ng 60? Ang age ba ni son, half nung age ni mother? Yes. So, ang correct answer natin ay letter C. Okay. In a pen at Old MacDonald's farm, so parang kanina yung ginawa natin this is a mixture problem. Teacher, hindi naman siya amount ng something or something. Pero, number siya ng legs. So, kailangan may idea ka about the sheep and the geese. So, sa geese, ilan yung paa? 2, yung legs niya. Yung sheep, 4. Okay? So, there is a total of 115 animals and 424. So, pag inad yung number ng sheep at ng geese, 115. Pero dito kasi, unlike sa problem kanina, yung problem kanina nagbigay ng exact numbers ng sheep and geese. Dito, hinahanap mo lang number lang ng sheep. So, wala kang pwedeng gawin na i-add yung sheep at geese kasi wala ka namang i-add para mag-eliminate sana. So, we're going to solve it. Let's say na ang sheep, 4 ang legs ng sheep. Yung geese, 2 lang. And then, ang total number daw ng legs nun, 424. Okay? Tapos, ang total daw ng geese at ng sheep ay 115. So, ibig sabihin, yung isa minus ng isa, 100. So, ibig sabihin, yung S, pwede kong palitan ng 115 minus the number of geese plus 2s equals 424. So, 115 times 4 is 460 minus 4g plus 2s equals 424. Okay? So, this will be, bakit ba G naman to eh? Kasi nga sa geese, 2 lang. Ano ba girl? Okay. So, this becomes negative 2G. Lipat mo na lang sa kabila para positive 2G na siya. 2G. So, lipat mo doon. 460 minus 24. 460 minus 424 is 36. So, 36 divided by 2 is 18. So, may 18 na geese. Eh, hindi naman geese ang hinahanap mo. Ano hinahanap? Sheep. So, 115 minus 18, that's 97. Okay? Next. 18. O parang kanina, mixture problem. Whole test daw 90. Tapos 39 daw lahat ng tanong. Pwedeng multiple choice, pwedeng short answer. Pero 2 points ang multiple choice, ang short answer 5. So tignan natin. Multiple choice, 2 points each, plus short answer, 5 points each, or 5S, equals sa ilan? 90. So, ganun ulit. The number of multiple choice question is 39 minus kung ilan yung short answer. So, 2 times 39 minus the short answer plus 5S equals 90. 39 times 2 is 78 minus 2S plus 5S equals 90. So, combine like terms, 5S minus 2S, that's 3S. 90 minus 78, that's 12. So, ang S or short answer ay 12 divided by 3 or 4. Oops. 4. That's for the short answer. E ano ba hinahanap natin? How many more multiple choice than short answer? So kung ang short answer ay kung ang short answer ay 4, ilan naman yung multiple choice? E di subtract mo. 39 minus 4, ang multiple choice natin ay 35. So 35 minus 4 is equal to 29. So mas marami ang multiple choice questions ng 29 questions kesa sa short answers. Next, last 2. Ara's age is 1/5 as old as her mother. In 6 years, Ara will be 1/3 as old as her mother will be then. What is mother's age? So again, ikaw bahala kung mas gusto sa'yo or mas comfortable sa'yo yung magmamahaba ka na may plus 6 years, minus 6 years, or isa-substitute na lang natin. Pero ako, mas gusto ko yung substitute na lang natin. So let's try. So dahil wala namang past na pinag-uusapan dito in 6 years, all I need is the present and the future. So sabi, Ara's age is 1/5. 1/5 daw nung edad ni mother. 1/5 x or x over 5. So si mother, syempre x. Tignan natin. In 6 years, pag nagdagdag daw ng 6 years, ang age daw ni Ara ay hindi na 1/5. 1/3 na daw nung age ng mother. Okay? So, ano kaya yung age ni mother? Sige nga, tignan natin. Chat box, guys. Ano kaya ang sagot natin? Magbasa muna ako ng comments. May isang nag-message, is she in a hurry? No, I'm not in a hurry. I'm just, just the average. May chat daw doon. Wait. Apology accepted. No problem. Tignan natin ang chat box. So guys, are you okay? Dalawa pa. 2 more. Konti na lang. Guys, chat, ano kayang sagot natin for this specific question? Walang Diyan pa ba kayo, guys? Let's go to tele. O sige ha, again ha, meron tayong mga take home na number. Okay? So, babalikan natin tong number 19 din. Hindi kayo nagre-respond, guys. Let's go, guys. Kaya natin to. So, babalikan ko tong number 19 sa inyo. Okay? So, number 20 muna tayo. So, itong 20, gustong-gusto ko to. Kasi iba to doon sa nakuha natin kanina. Or iba to doon sa work na alam natin kanina. So, a pipe can fill a tank in 5 hours due to leakage. Guys, kapag may leakage, iisipin mo, may tulo, charot. So, isipin mo, work pa rin to. Okay? So, we're still gonna follow 1 over time nung una plus 1 over time nung pangalawa, 1 over blah, blah, blah. Okay? Pero dun sa idea kasi nito, may leakage. So, kapag leakage, yung time nung pangalawa, magiging minus na. So, tatanggalin natin to. So, hindi na siya plus, magiging minus siya. Let's fill in. So, 1 over 5. And then, due to leakage, at the bottom, mafe-fill siya in 6 hours. Okay? When the tank is full, let's say puno siya 1 over 5, in how much time will it be emptied? So, in how much time will it be emptied? Wait a minute, guys. So, ito yung tatanggalin mo. In how much time will it be emptied? So, lipat natin para maging positive 1 over x siya. So, 1 over 5 minus 1 over 6. So, I'll have 30 here and then 6 minus 5. So, 1 over 30 equals 1 over x. Therefore, in how much time will it be emptied? In 30 hours. Okay, guys. So, that's 20. Again, ha, may pa-assignment ako sa inyo. Para na-utilize natin. So, we have number 19. Tapos, remind me a while ago, ano nga yung isang problem na hindi natin na sagot or hindi natin natapos. Balik tayo. Number 19. And ito din ata. Kung di ako nagkakamali. 10. Yan. Share your answer and then your solution over our tala free. And then for our students sa group chat natin sa Telegram. I'll have 30 here and then 6 minus 5. So 1 over Let's 30
try to read
equals 1 over.
sa live chat po, tignan nyo. Unable to connect to chat. Please try. Okay guys, and then that's it. Again ha, may pa-assignment ako. Kailangan makita ko sa tala free yung solution nyo. Number 19, and then I think that's number 10. 19 and 10. Yun yung dalawang na-miss ko. Okay? And then, from there, babalik tayo.
So, this is not yet the end of our meeting. I mean, today, this is the end of our meeting. Pero sa susunod, magkikita pa ulit tayo. So, that's all, guys. Bye-bye!